What's up guys, today in this video I'm gonna make a HTML website. This is only be a front-end website, no backend or no database. I will make a backend and database websites later. Today in this video I'm only gonna make a front-end website. It will have CSS and HTML. Okay, let's start. So we have first to go on the any browser, Google Chrome or Safari, write VS Code. I write co. Now if you don't know what's VS Code like, it's a editor for coder for our HTML code. We can also do it on Notepad, okay, but I prefer the Visual Studio Code. It has more options. We can debug in it, and it has many more options also. And Notepad has not that much options. So I prefer Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna download for macOS. You can download for any Linux or Windows. It will play on any. You can download it. Now till it's downloading, you have to download a browser which will browse our localhost website. It will have a localhost, so you can have any Google Chrome, Safari. Okay, I will give the link in the description of Visual Studio Code and the Google Chrome. Let's play it. Visual Studio Code. Now our Visual Studio Code is opened. We will go on our Finder or any you have a file system to handle files. We go in Documents and make a new folder. I will name it my first HTML and CSS. Enter. Let's open it in this. You can directly Visual Studio Code has a option that we can directly open any file, so it's a good option. I prefer that one. See, I got my first HTML and CSS. I can open this in this. See, I will make a file named index dot HTML. Enter. See, now you will think why we named it index.html. It's a HTML file which helps us to render our code or render it in the browser. So it's not a text file. Note it. We will add exclamation mark and enter. See, this is a boilerplate. It's the shortcut of Visual Studio Code, and this is the point of the using Visual Studio Code. It has better options. It created a boilerplate for us. It's right now it's empty. See, if we will render a website, it has nothing. See, now I will write something. See, I will write anything, it will come here. Okay, we will keep opening this to render a website. Now I will add h1 tag. H1 tag is for the write a title. So I'm gonna make a h1. It has one more point of using Visual Studio Code. If you will write h1, okay, see, here's coming h1. We do not want this. We have a syntax in HTML using it. So I will click enter. See, this is the syntax of HTML. Now I will write anything, it will be the title. See, this is the normal one and this is the title one. you can compare it. Now we will make our very first blog website on Lotus. So write a title Lotus. Now you will have a look on a website. See, it's very simple. A normal title in capital words, Lotus, and a white background. It has nothing else. I will help you in it. See, make a new file, style, my caps lock is on, style, no space here, dot CSS. It's a CSS file. Now what's CSS? CSS is the styling of your website web page. It's the styling, like this is the simple one. Now I will show you magic. See, write h1, okay, add curly braces. It knows that index.html as a h1 tag, so it has this. I will add aqua, but here is no change in it because our style.css is not linked with the index.html in default. We have to link it manually, so you have to go in index.html under the title tag. You can change the title also. I will do it Lotus blog, and now I will write link. See, it's a rel of style sheet. Now I will add the href, which is the name of this file. It's style that it came in the first only. See, it turned into blue because in style.css I have written color aqua blue. Now under it I will write background color, which I want. You can choose any. I like dark blue. Now I will add the body tag, body, and add the curly braces. Enter, enter, enter. I will write now background color. I will change it to black. Cool. See, this is our website. It has now. Let me compare. I will go in under the title and delete this. See, before the CSS it was like this. Now I will add it one more time, undo it, and see after adding the CSS. It's so good. Now I will go in index.html again. After this I will add a para tag, para. Enter. After adding para tag, we can write anything in it about Lotus, like I'm gonna write. We will write the things later. First we will add the image. Write img, enter. Write in the alt, like the alt is like the title. I will write Lotus, okay, and in this I will write, give the src, which is the link of the image. Okay, now I will go in Safari and search Lotus, enter. go on images. I will select any picture. I like this picture. Okay, I'm gonna right click on it. I have right clicked on it. Okay, copy the image address. Now go on Visual Studio Code, paste it. We got our image, but it's so big, like its size is so much. So we are gonna decrease its size. How to decrease its size? Now how to change the size of it? For it, delete this. It's the ending tag. We have not to end it here to change the size. We will do width is equal to, we want any size, I will add it 300. It's good. And height, I do not need the height, it has a good size already. And this is how to change the size of the image. You can add the height also, like any you want. I'm not gonna add the height. And now we have to delete this para tag because we want the image first and the para after it. So I will write here, write the para tag, enter. Wait, we got the wrong thing. We want para tag. And to add the para tag, we will add the p, again this, we got the para tag. Now we are gonna write anything in it. Actually I can think of about Lotus. So simple thing, go to ChatGPT, write give, what is this, give me a para on Lotus. See, it's giving the para. Okay, you can copy this from here. Again go to Visual Studio Code. Now I'm gonna paste it. See how beautiful it's looking. We can go in our style.css and make a para tag already. I've colored it white. I can color only its background also, like I'm gonna do background color this. See, it's looking nice, and it's so bright, you know. I'm gonna do something else. I think it's good. I do not need it. So the website is looking so good. So this was our simple Lotus blog website. I'm gonna show you once more full screen. See, this is our website. Okay, and I hope you liked the video. If it was useful, please click on the like button, share with it others, and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.